Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. This is your juice guru. Alright? Yeah. Now I'm gonna make some weight loss juice for you. Lose belly fat, detox, build your immune system. All right guys, and this will be my aloe juice, aloe vera juice. All right, all natural and healthy. Let's get into it guys. So all you need a piece of ginger, some lemon, or you can use lime, piece of aloe vera, you need some water and some honey. Okay. I cut my aloe vera, some fresh cut ginger, and I'm gonna pour it in here. I'm gonna squeeze about a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use lime. And then I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons of honey. And I'm gonna put 1 cup of water. And that's it guys. I'm gonna blend. All right guys, let's take a look at it. I'm just gonna strain it. And there you have the goodness guys. I have some here and I'm gonna pour some in. Get a little bit more. One glass. I have some lemon. Just like that guys, and one of my straw. And that's it right there guys. Super refreshing, super healthy. And this is my aloe juice, natural aloe vera juice with some ginger and lemon with a tips of honey. All right guys, if you want to lose weight, if you want to lose fat from your tummy, inches, good detox weight loss remedy. All right, gonna clean and build your immune system. All right guys, that's it. Love upon me and I love upon you. I start to drink it already, but I'm gonna put a cube of ice if you want it chill. Okay, so there you go, or you can put it in the fridge to cool. It's up to you. All right guys, you have a good day.